And now moving on to Hex, 1.8 cents. Confirm breakdown. What's the technical target? How low could we go? Everyone wants a penny. Are they going to get it? Johnny Chaos said we are not going to get a penny. Those who wait for a penny will get it at 5 cents. What level could we be looking at for support for Hex? Where is the next level of support? Well, you see, if I draw a trend line, whoops. How about that? Does that seem like the trend? Does that seem like the trend line for support? Where's that at? That brings us to 1.5 cent target. Are we going to the 1.5 cent target for Hex? And then if we head lower, then we may be headed lower and we may be headed for the penny. But right now, we're going to leave that there, actually. We're going to leave that there. That is our 1.5 cent target. Maybe a little bit more. Like right over there. 1.64. Well, actually over here, yeah, it's about 1.5. 1.55. That's our next target for Hex. Let's see if we hit it. Maybe we will, maybe we won't. I don't know. What do you guys think? Are we going to hit 1.5 cents or is the bottom in? Chad, welcome to the chat. Thanks for tuning in. Full near Borns. This Bitcoin straight line is getting kind of frustrating. Kind of? It's an understatement. We have full moon this Friday. Okay, you know what? Book that, guys. Full moon this Friday. Let's see if this lunar cycle thing is really true. Are we going to have a massive correction this Friday? I guess, you know what? I'm going to try and remember this. And remind me if I didn't. Let's see if this full moon thing is. Maybe we're going to have to pay more attention to the full moon. Metastang, what's up, Furu? Going to schedule another one-on-one soon. Yeah, awesome. Thank you, and thank you for saying that, guys. You too can schedule a one-on-one with me by emailing me at furufinance@gmail.com. We could talk about anything. We could talk about how to set up a wallet, security, how to link your MetaMask, how to stake on a hardware wallet. We could talk about, markets. We could talk about anything you guys want, as long as it's not financial advice. Anything meaningful, anything that's on your mind. furufinance@gmail.com. Email me now before you forget. furufinance@gmail.com. And Metastang, I'm very much looking forward to our one-on-one. I remember the last one was amazing. Thank you. But yeah, that's it. We're going to look at that. We're going to look into that full moon this Friday. And looks like we have a price target about 1.55, 1.6 cents. And if we break it, then we'll head lower. But it's just funny how the lines always get redrawn. I remember when the Hex trend line was this, and everyone thought when it went down, it would never fall. It would never fall maybe below this trend line. But it did. And now you just redraw the trend line. Which means what? Which means that trend lines don't really actually mean anything much. But we're gonna be looking closely at this one, just because there's nothing else to do. Well, there is other things to do, and we're gonna talk about that later. But instead of looking at trend lines, we have practical ways to achieve virality for Hex, pulsechain, and pulsex. We have a practical and pragmatic approach, and it doesn't require whining, and it doesn't require going to middlemen. Please have Richard Hart on the show. Please at what's his name? At Andrew Tate. We would love to see a show together with you and Richard, and at Richard Hart. Think that's really gonna spiral Richard Hart and Hex into virality. I don't think so, but I do have the solution, and you're gonna stay tuned, and you guys are gonna listen. And it is a bit of a call to action, and I've covered it other times before, but that's really that. Stay tuned. We got a lot to talk about today. We got crypto bubbles. Pretty red market. I mean, the normal like the more mainstream projects are all pretty red. You got Solana though up 21.5%. Why? Is there some news with Solana? OKB, Atom, Bit, and Lido. So there are some movers. Then we got Hex daily stats, checking Hex daily on the daily. You guys should too, and you guys should be donating to their wallet. Donation address right there. I'm going to copy that, and you guys are going to give them some money. Hey, don't spoil it. Don't spoil it. Come on. But let's go. What's going on here? There we go. We are at payout per T-share. Let's take a look at that. 6.428. Congratulations, guys. If you own T-shares, you printed 6.428 Hex. We got 85 changing current holders. We're back at all-time highs. We're very close to all-time highs in current stakers. We're not back at all-time highs. We're at all-time highs continuously. We are close. We're close. So we're 23. Make that 14. We're 14 stakers, 14 new stakers away from all-time highs in current stakers. So again, the bullish divergence continues. The bullish divergence continues. Love to see it. This is so important. It's so important that I highlight it every day. There are more holders and stakers